Hey, Natalie Berth here, doing another quick profile review, this time for Susan, who identifies as a relationship coach, but has some history and experience in clinical psychology. Right off the bat, looking at her profile, we all know if you've been following any of my profiles, this anything that's gray here is a lost opportunity for branding. So that goes right off the bat that needs to get fixed. What we want to do is make sure I actually did find her domain and was able her website, and it is be the best version of you. She could actually just do a smaller version of this and just put that right here, but that would actually also require probably a little bit more of a fleshing out of exactly like what kind of relationship coaching she does. Is it mostly just kind of general life coaching or what have you? But something that would make the banner make more sense, is, not in a vacuum. There are a few things I would like to see her add services. We'd like the featured section to, bring in that branding across the throughout the profile. But what I really like to talk about is the about section, because this is a really common issue. This whole section is actually in third person. And I think in 2025, it doesn't do us any good to talk about ourselves in third person because none of us are under the illusion that someone else, a trusted advisor, is writing this for us. So we want to make sure that this is uh, in first person, and also uh, we're talking about this, and like this is a good opportunity to tell our story, like why we do this, how we feel strongly about it. She talks about her degrees. Irrelevant. I would put that further down. It's already in her stuff. Remove the dates. Always remove the dates. Uh, in her profile later on. What she can say is, she's got history in this, but we want to just kind of tone it down on the sales pitch this way and kind of bring in a story, because that's the thing. I would, if there are specialties, put a bullet point. You can do little fancy bullet points there. And of course, the option is always to, schedule appointment. Here's my website, visit my website, whatever else you want to add here. But that's actually something that you can do and that is worth doing because it will engage people to do this. Now, she's got the coloring and everything that goes with this, right? Bringing the branding further down that's engaging, will be able to, people will be want to participate and kind of dive a little bit deeper into everything that she does on her profile, because she's got a lot of really good stuff. Also, board member, the question is if this is a nonprofit, and so on. So we can also do all of those things as well. Okay. Thank you to Susan for letting me review her profile. If you would like to have your own review done, let me know in the comments and I will tag you when it gets done. Thanks.